Okay, these will be the elevators at the Hilton, downtown Toronto.
Let's go up.
Yep, let's head on up. These are Westinghouse elevators modded with Dewhurst.
Oh, good, we got a Scenic one. Perfect.
Which one?
Right here.
No, we got a internal, I think.
I could have sworn I got the bell ring on here.
We'll take this one first. Go to 32.
I like these fixtures.
Yeah, they're interesting. Close. There we go.
Hope this doesn't have the same issue that that Royal York elevator was having.
Two. Alright, let's go down, I guess, to the pool level. Closed normally this time. There's me in the mirror. Hello, and there's Daniel. Pretty nice. These are kind of generic, though.
Yeah. Still pretty nice.
Yeah, the fixtures aren't too common.
Oh, there's no 4. Probably gotta use a separate elevator for that.
Let's send that one up and try to get a Scenic one. Yes!
Oh, beautiful.
Here we go. Here's what we want to see. 32. And here we go.
Here we go.
Whee!
And you can see north parts of the city. Oh yeah, these are fun.
32. All right, let's go down to G or C, I think. Yeah, C.
Yeah.
These are pretty nice.
Yeah. Well, this is the best part.
The views are easily the best part. Yeah, but you do have mirrors here. Hello. And we'll do one more ride, and I'm gonna get a view on the other side.
Okay.
Here we are in the lobby.
Oh, we're on C.
Or C, that is.
Sounds like an old.
That was a weird chime.
These are nice fixtures.
And here we go again. Whee!
Oh yeah, these are fun.
$32.
Anybody out here?
Nope.
I don't think this is a good place for a phone. Lobby or concourse?
We'll do concourse. Well, actually, we'll do one more ride. I want to get a look at a hallway.
Okay. Yeah, these are super fun.
Even though they're modded, I still like these. Of course, as always, I would have loved to see what they used to look like.
Ooh.
And here we are on
We'll go back up to the top and then.
Yes, and look at
Old Chime.
GAL interlock.
Really dumb place to put a phone, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm. Oh, where?
Right there.
I
wonder
see.
how many people have accidentally, you know, focus. There we go. See apartment buildings.
Yep.
You want to get off? Is this a guest floor?
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
We'll get off here and get a look around. Yeah, I want to look at the hallway.
It's a nice hotel.
It does seem like a really nice hotel. Very nice looking.
My camera's having issues. Viewers US.
Oh, and they got barriers here. Two. We got the non-scenic one back. We'll end in the lobby.
Oh, why not see?
Yeah, we can end there. Lobby.
Just got one last cab view.
Here we are. Or just C, actually.
Oh, this one had an echo going.
And we'll get off here. And well, there it goes.
There it goes, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed.